Hello everyone. I've recently completed the TzKal-Zuk collection log at 96 normal mode and 187 hard mode kills. This is what my collection log looks like, and with the exception of creating 2 Zuk capes, I've actually saved the Igneous stones from all my runs. In celebration of completing the log, I'm going to be disassembling every one of them, so enjoy. I unfortunately forgot to take a screenshot of my rare components at the beginning. Although I don't have a summary, I'm not concerned with how many of what components I got. I hope you guys enjoyed. Bye for now.